Guangdong Eco-Camper Vehicle Company Limited was founded in 2015 with the brand of Kinocean as a subsidiary of Kinlife Group, located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, south of China. Our factory covers an area of 40,000 square meters, based on people-oriented, strict on the concept of quality as the foremost, has developed steadily and has become one of the most competitive manufacturing enterprises in China. In recent years, our company's development has maintained rapid growth in the foreign markets. Products are exported to the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, South Africa, and South Korea, Japan. We won high recognition and reputation in overseas markets. Our main products are pontoon boat, aluminum fishing boat, speedboat, kayak, boat trailers. With advanced equipment such as laser cutting machine, punch press machine, CNC bending machine, welding robot, automatic powder coating line, automatic packing system, we can ensure the product quality and delivery on time. We adhere to building good quality system and establishing a high quality control system and testing methods. We always interpret the essence of innovation as the soul with practical actions. Most of our boats are with CE certificate, and our factory has passed ISO certification. What's more, many of our products have independent design patents. Our mission is to lead more people enjoy the water sport. We look forward to a prosperous in 2020.